morning, dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine. Today, we will start our new chapter, Work We Do. Let's do reading of this chapter. Like other days, Balbir reached the tea stall after his breakfast. His brother, Satwinder, who had come from the village, was also with him. The worker at the tea stall gave him a cup of tea and said, "Here is today's newspaper. How do you spend your whole day sitting here?" "Don't you get bored?" asked Satwinder. "Oh no, one does not realize how the time flies. Look at that group of children. As usual, they are too late for school. Everyone is running. The teacher is also late today. Oh, it seems her sandal has broken. She is going to Jaggu Bhai to get it repaired. It's good for him. He will get some money early in the morning." "Who is Jaggu Bhai?" "Jaggu Bhai is a cobbler who mends shoes." Champa is sitting there with her basket full of flowers. The lady working in the post office buys flowers from her every day. The construction work has started again. The truck is bringing material. The workers will again be busy the whole day. Look there. The doctor and the nurse are entering the hospital together. See Ramlu with his fruit cart. These days he also brings Chinema with him. Chinema runs around, delivers fruits and collects money. Nanu, the barber, has laid out his shop. But whom will he shave? Right in the middle of crossing stands Iqbal Singh. Throughout the day, he blows his whistle and keeps shouting, "Move your vehicle from here." "Hey, have you not heard me? Take the cart away." Saying this, Balbir put down his empty cup and walked to a nearby shop. Children, you have read the chapter Work We Do. Now, I will explain this chapter to you. So, student, just think that what is work? I am showing you some pictures. A mother is doing her work. A grandmother is knitting the sweater. And here your father is watering the plant. Is that a work? Yes, that is a work. But children, just think, can we live a life only doing these work? Can we live a life comfortably? No. For living a life comfortably, we need money. Everyone needs money. So just read this definition. The work people do to earn money is called an occupation. For example, a farmer grows food, grain and vegetables for us. A chemist sells medicines. A cobbler mends our shoes. A policeman catches the thieves and also protects law and order. Let's identify some occupation. See here the pictures I am showing you. This occupation is known as doctor. Doctor treats people who are ill. And the next occupation, see, the person is having the gun and the stick. This is a policeman. Policeman catches the thieves and also protect law and order. See, the man is having the screw in his hand. He is a plumber, okay? A plumber fixes leaking pipes and taps. And the next, a man is doing some electricity work. This occupation is known as an electrician. An electrician repairs light, fans, etc. In cities and in towns, people have their own businesses and they work in offices and factories. Yes, see, in cities and towns, people work in offices and they have own business. They do work according to their interest. They live their life comfortably. Like your father goes to office or your father has his own business. But what about the people who lives in villages? Do you know any of your family member who lives in village or have ever visited the village? If you have ever visited the village, that you know the nature is very beautiful there. There is lot of greenery. So what kind of occupation villagers do? In villages, people work in field and grow food and other useful products are called farmers. And some people sell us milk. They are called milkmen.
Bright and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are staying fit and healthy at your home. Let's start our work with a small prayer. Dear God, I am thankful for all you give, for food, for love, a place to live. I thank you for my family too, and I want you to know that I love you. Amen. In previous class, I have explained you chapter work we do. So today we will do work in notebook. Let's start. Question number 1, define term. Our first defined term is occupation. What is occupation? The work people do to earn money is called an occupation. Second, neighborhood services. Services which we get around our locality are called neighborhood services. Helpers. People who help us in living a life comfortable and safe are called our helpers. Now, question number 2. What work is done by different people? The doctor looks after us when we have fever. The farmer grows vegetable and fruits. The tailor stitches clothes. The postman brings letters. The cobbler mends shoes. The milkman brings milk.